Undong is a new village movement in Korea, and it is initiated late President Park 1970s. And its basic split is self-help, diligence, and cooperation.
Since nilaunch yung seed multiplication and dissemination program na pinangunahan nga ng COPIA and PhilRise, so malaki yung naiambag nito sa mga kasaki kung paano uunlad. Following yung three spirits nga, yung pagkakaisa, self-help, and diligence.
Yung pag-launch nila ng seed multiplication and dissemination, tulungan ng mga farmers na nakapagtanim ng mga quality seeds. Magaganda yung mga nabigay sa aming seeds ng COPIA. Kasi ibang nabibiling mga certified, mga may halo.
The first initiative actually is to help our farmers to get high quality seeds for planting. We see that the problems of the farmers is getting high quality seeds. So we thought of having this as a flagship of the project so that it will create more impact on the farmers level. And that initiative will turn into a seed money for the farmers or for the cooperative use.
Confidence, we gave the many seed to them, but they are already millionaire. They are purchased the planting machine. They will also purchase the seedling tray, so they can be mechanized cultivations.
After harvest, nababayaran nila. Ngayon namang naibabayad nila ay naiipon namin as seed money. Ang naikalob na nga sa amin ay nasa 1,994 bags. Tapos yun ay nagkakalaga ng 1,208,600. At sa amount na yun, nakabili na kami ng isang unit ng walk-in transplanter.
We also meet with farmers regularly. So kinakausap namin sila, even the leaders. We plan together with those farmers and officers of the cooperatives so that they will know exactly what they need, and then we will provide them the needs. For training, for example, for equipment.
Binigyan kami ng isang unit ng transplanter, 7,000 seedling trays, 2 unit ng pang soil testing, tapos in-sponsor pa yung 8 naming members, officers, sa Korea ng libre.
Farmers from our cooperative, COPIA, sending it to Korea, the farmers themselves can see how they were able to live their lives to the Sema Undong movement.
Maraming naitulong yan. Unang-una, diwa ng katipagan, tulong sa sarili, at saka yung kooperasyon. Kasi kung yun ay masusunod nating mga nakakaunawa, ang tagumpay ng bawat isang miyembro ay makakamit natin.
At first, we want to achieve the rice self-sufficiency in Philippines. Also, we want to achieve the increase the farmers' income.
Basically, yung partnership ng COPIA at PhilRise para sa mga farmers natin is still part of the overall project ng PhilRise, which is gusto namin gawin kayong milyonaryo. Ito, gusto namin gawing milyonaryo yung cooperative, and later on, kapag ang cooperative or organized groups ng mga farmers ay may malaking pera, may pondo out of the project, that they can use that money para ma-uplift din yung lives nila. For example, kung member siya ng co-op, they can borrow money at low interest, and the co-op can buy their products na mas mataas ang price ng palay.
Malaking benta ito kasi hindi na ako kung saan-saan naghahanap ng kung kailangan sa bukid. Puhunan yung kailangan sa bukid, pati pag-ani, hanggang sa pagbebenta ng ani, andito na. Itong umani ako, ang presyo sa labas ay nasa 13.50. Pero nung binili sa akin, nasa 14.40. Malaking tulong yun kasi 90 centavos ang taas sa labas.
Puso kami nagpapasalamat sa naipagkaloob na tulong ng Kupiya Field Rice. Lalong-lalo na doon sa seed production and distribution project.
Kami ay lubos na nagpapasalamat. Hindi namin makakalimutan yung ginawa nilang effort para mapili ang aming kooperatiba na dalhan ng ganitong proyekto. Kaya maraming salamat.